All right, I'm pretty excited because Etsy has really outdone themselves. About a month and a half ago, they ran something that was, well, I thought an accident, and that was they were giving $5 off of everything in my shop. And I thought, why are they doing this? Like, I didn't authorize this. And then my wife messaged me. I was actually on a flight heading to Arizona, and she said, "Did you turn on a sale?" And I said, "No." And she said, "Everything in our store is $5 off." So we went ahead and Googled it and found out that Etsy was running this $5 off weekend special where they were giving the $5 off. Now, this isn't something that we had to do. It was something that they did. Now, I know some people say, oh, Etsy's just about themselves. They're only there to make themselves money. And you're right. They are there to make themselves money. But guess what? Without us making money, they don't make money. Now, if you're a new Etsy seller and you're watching this is a great time to get started because number one, it's Q4 and there's a lot more traffic and a lot more sales happening. Number two, this year, it seems like Etsy is really trying to help us. Now, when they decided to run this special, I wanted to see, would this have an impact on our sales? Well, check this out. So this is for the 4 days. It was September 14th through the 17th. And you can see we had 59 orders. We were up 269% compared to the same period last year. $1,889.12. And if I hover over here, you can see on the 14th, there was 12 orders. Then there was 17 orders. Then there was 9 orders because, well, it was kind of on the weekend. It was in the middle of the weekend. And then the last day when it was about to end, we had 21 orders for a total of $1,889.12, which was awesome. And I do believe that having that $5 off little special definitely helped us get some extra sales. But here's the cool thing. They did it once and it worked for them because now they're doing it again, but they're doing it even bigger. They are giving $10 off when you spend $40 or more. And well, they sent a whole email and that's how I found out about them running it again. And here's the email that I received. It said, "Big news, we're giving buyers $10 off orders of $40 or more." And they go on to say, "Our recent promotions were so successful, we're doing it again. Buyers loved our Get 5 promotion. We saw an increase in average order value during the sale period. This time, we're offering an even bigger discount to even more shoppers. They'll save $10 on orders of $40 or more, and it's fully covered by Etsy." Now, think about that for a minute. They're going to give our customers $10 off if they spend $40 or more, but we're not losing any money. We're actually gaining because, well, we're going to make more sales. And here they explain more of the details and who it's for. It says Etsy is funding $10 off all eligible orders for shoppers in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Germany to encourage shoppers to support small businesses this week and get a head start on their holiday shopping. You'll keep your earnings whenever you make a sale during the promotion. And they go on to say that the promotion is going to start the afternoon of Monday, October 9th, and it's going to run through Wednesday, October 11th. Now, here's the deal. You might be watching this and this date has passed, but the point in me sharing this with you is they are probably going to do it again, and they're probably going to do more things like this to encourage shoppers to buy on their platform. So this is, again, a great time to be an Etsy seller. And if you aren't yet an Etsy seller and you're thinking about it, now would be a good time to get into the game. A lot of times I hear people complaining about Etsy. They're like, oh, they charge so much in their fees. And oh, they're always trying to make more money on us. Well, yes, they are a business. And yes, they are trying to make more money. But again, like I said earlier, if we don't succeed, they don't succeed. And yes, do we pay certain fees to sell on their platform? Yes, but it's their platform and they're giving us access to the audience that they have and the platform and the tools and the marketing and all of that stuff. So whenever I think about complaining about Etsy, I do have to think to myself, this is their platform and they are allowing me to sell on that platform. So we need to think about that the next time that we want to complain because, well, This is proof that Etsy is really trying to help us succeed. And the other cool thing and a huge benefit that Etsy does is they do email marketing, and that email marketing is pushing promotions just like this. I got an email right here that says $10 off everything. Now this is coming to me as a customer, not as a seller. And here's what they're doing. They're promoting this $10 off of the orders of $40 or more. And guess what? These people are all being driven over to the platform, which we have access to because we have Etsy shops that reside on Etsy. So again, we have to think about all of the marketing that's happening that they're doing is also benefiting us. So if you are just starting, congratulations, because well, it's Q4. It's the best time to launch on Etsy. And if you are struggling and thinking to yourself, I don't know if I want to keep going here. Well, it's Q4 and now is a great time to really give it a go. And as you can see, Etsy is promoting like crazy. And this isn't the only way that they're helping us. This is just one. I actually shot another video right here that shows you 3 more ways that they're going to be helping us succeed this holiday season. If you haven't watched this video yet, watch it now and I'll see you there.